Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download product feeds from BigCommerce to Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To download product feeds from BigCommerce to Shopify, start by logging into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the products section on your BigCommerce dashboard. From there, select Export. Choose the format for your export file, typically CSV is ideal for product feeds. Decide whether you want to export all products or filter them by category. Once you've made your selections, click the Export Products button. Wait for the export process to complete, which may take a few moments. After the export is finished, download the CSV file to your device. Next, open your Shopify account in a new tab. Go to Products in the Shopify admin panel. Select Import to begin the upload process. Click on Choose File and locate the CSV file you downloaded from BigCommerce. Before proceeding, review the import settings and ensure the data is formatted correctly. If everything looks good, click the Upload and Continue button. Shopify will then process the CSV file and display a summary of the import. Once the import is complete, navigate to the Products section again to verify that all items have been transferred successfully. Make any necessary adjustments or edits to product details as needed. Finally, double-check your collections and sales channels to ensure everything is set up correctly in Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.